Organizational Change Project by Guillermo Alanisgu. Ford opened plants and a PD center in Mexico because it is a good business case. Engineering wages in Mexico are 1/3 than US wages. You can have 2 engineers in a project instead of 1, and it is still less expensive. Minimum wage in Mexico is 1/10 of the US wage. Manufacturing plants' costs are lower. This is for Ford and also for suppliers, so you can build a vehicle that costs less than if it was built in the US. Geographical position of Mexico is good. We have a border with the US, so we're very close. And also, we are only 1 hour away from them in time zone. The exchange rate has made Mexico even more attractive for investment. As you can see the trend in this chart, the Mexican peso has lost value against the US dollar year after year. If these trends continue each year, it would be cheaper to build vehicles in Mexico. Assume Mexico currency becomes stronger compared to the US currency. This would change the way we do business. What would happen to Ford if this happened? Having plants and a PD center in Mexico would not be a good business case for Ford. Engineering wages would be higher than the US wages. So this would make designing a part in Mexico more expensive than in the US, or even than Europe. Minimum wage would be closer to US minimum wage. This would increase the suppliers' and Ford's plants' cost, making the manufacturing of vehicles more expensive in Mexico than in other countries. Ford of Mexico organization has been working to adapt to withstand global changes. The organization is working on manufacturing plants quality. The 2 assembly plants at Ford are best in class in quality, engineering knowledge and experience. The organization has invested a lot of time to train and improve knowledge of the employees. Continuous improvement of standards. We have been pushed to be proactive, to be a team that gets knowledge and lessons learned to other regions so we can make the company more knowledgeable. Innovation. Innovation is a pillar of the company because we know that without innovation we are not going to be able to survive in the future. We still have some areas of opportunity. For example, we still have to work on lean organization. Our organization is not as lean as it should be, so we can still be more cost effective. The other thing is we have to be recognized as a center of excellence, because if we're a center of excellence, it doesn't matter what happens in other regions, we are still going to be able to survive. What can you do for our region's future? Does not matter in what region do you work. If you make your region stronger, you will make the company stronger, and the company will be able to thrive in the future.